Self-love is beautiful, but it's self-trust that is truly life-changing. It's a quiet battle, isn't it? You can love yourself and still doubt your decisions, questioning every path you take. But when you learn to truly trust yourself, to listen to that inner voice, everything shifts. The world doesn't change, but your place in it does. You speak up with confidence, knowing your perspective has value. You choose with conviction, no longer paralyzed by the what-ifs. You create without fear of judgment. You set boundaries with kindness and clarity. You walk with a steadiness that comes from within. Life feels safer, fuller, when you believe in your own ability to lead it. You become your own anchor in any storm. The relationship you have with yourself truly sets the tone for every other part of your life. It's the foundation upon which everything is built. When you trust your own judgment, that confidence naturally extends to your career, your relationships, and your well-being. Take a moment, place a hand on your heart, and repeat this after me. I trust my judgment, I trust my path, I trust my ability to navigate what comes, I trust me.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.